25 million miles of pipeline within the U.S., but the U.S. government has yet to find a way to regulate them effectively without having there be lots of failures every single year. We are looking into one particular failure in El Paso, Texas, and discussing possible repercussions and ways that it could have been prevented.
We will also be discussing considerations that could go into how to replace these pipelines or why not to, and other ethical, societal, and environmental concerns. Pipeline failures are unfortunately common in the U.S. and around the world.
In the El Paso incident, the natural gas explosion killed 12 people who were camping nearby, and all told the damage cost close to $1 million. The cause of the explosion occurred because of a buildup of pressure within the pipe due to a decrease in the inside diameter. This buildup of corrosion product was due to microbial influences, calcareous deposits, and hydrogen sulfides. It forms a really acidic solution inside of where the tubercles form right here. And this causes the corrosion to eat away at a really fast rate because this becomes very anodic. Regular cleaning of the pipes can reduce this from happening. Usually they have pigs go through the pipes that clean off any deposits or microbes that will build up on the sides. And doing this regularly really mitigates most of accidents like this from happening. But because of the way the pipe was designed, there's a bend in it that did not allow pigs to go through the pipe.
In addition to regular maintenance, protections for the outside such as nanocoatings and cathodic protection can help delay corrosion, giving the pipelines a longer lifetime.
So besides using pigs to have them go through and clean the inside of the pipes, the other way that oil companies can protect their pipes is by having corrosion engineers check the pipes regularly, about once a month, along the path of the pipe to see if there is current running through the pipe. If there's current running through the pipe, then this is a good indication that there is corrosion occurring, and then they know where to try to replace certain sections of the pipe without having to replace the whole thing at once.
Many companies don't follow the maintenance procedures that they should because they would rather cut costs in the meantime and then pay for the consequences later when a failure happens. There are many ethical, societal, and environmental considerations for maintaining pipelines or trying to find new sources of power or building new ones. In order to maintain them well or to even replace the faulty pipelines, delicate ecosystems sometimes have to be disturbed. For example, in 2000, another Texas pipeline exploded in Greenville, where a faulty weld led to a 5-foot-long rupture in the pipe. Socially, these failures can have even worse repercussions. The El Paso explosion in 2000 killed 12 people who were camping nearby. Even though it may cost them more upfront to replace existing pipelines with new ones, in the long run this would save them more money if they were able to do the required maintenance because they would have fewer failures.